We'll guide you through how to compare Claude versus ChatGPT to help you decide which AI tool suits your needs better. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official websites for both Claude and ChatGPT. For Claude, visit Anthropic's website, and for ChatGPT, head to OpenAI's website. Once there, you can explore the features and offerings of each platform. Look at the pricing sections to compare the cost structures. Claude may have different tiers depending on usage needs, while ChatGPT typically offers both free and paid subscriptions with varying features. Now, check out the documentation and support sections. This will give you insights into the ease of integration, the support structure, and any community forums that might be available. Next, examine the API integration capabilities. If you're planning to use these tools for development, knowing how they integrate with your existing systems is crucial. Both platforms provide comprehensive API documentation, so you can compare their flexibility and ease of use. Additionally, user reviews and case studies can offer valuable perspectives on real-world performance, so take a moment to read through any testimonials or case studies available. Finally, take advantage of any free trials or demo versions if available. This hands-on experience can be invaluable in assessing the user interface and overall experience. By following these steps, you can make a more informed decision on whether Claude or ChatGPT is the right choice for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.